Hello students, welcome to Successive classes. Today we'll be solving the mechanical engineering gate exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving question number 6 from the engineering mathematics portion of the paper. In question number 6 it has been said that the arrival of customers over fixed time intervals in a bank follow the Poisson distribution with an average of 30 customers per hour. Now we need to find out the probability that the time between successive customer arrival is between 1 and 3 minutes. We need to find out that probability correct up to 2 decimal places. So what we have been given, the arrival rate, let the arrival rate be lambda. Arrival rate is 30 customers per hour. So per minute, how many customers will come? Divided by 60, this will be basically 30 customers per hour, or we can say that 0.5 customers per minute. This is what we can write. So now, therefore we can definitely write that lambda is equal to 1/2 minute. This is arrival rate. By every half minute, one customer arrives. This is what we have found out. So now, if capital P is the probability, then this will be equal to 1 minus e to the power minus lambda t. So therefore, P of 1 will be equal to e to the power 1 minus e to the power minus lambda is equal to minus 1/2 into 1. So this will be equal to 0.393. Similarly, if we try to find out, now we'll find out P of, since we are considered it 1 and 3 minutes, we'll find out P of 3. P of 3 will be 1 minus e to the power minus of 1/2 into 3. So this will be equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 1.5. This will be equal to 0.7768. So therefore, the probability that the time between successive customer arrival is between 1 and 3 minutes, that will be denoted by P of 1 less than equal to t less than equal to 3 minute will be equal to 0, basically P of 3 minus P of 1, that will be equal to 0.7768 minus 0.393, which will be equal to 0.383, and up to 2 decimal places this will be equal to 0.38. So 0.38 is the correct answer. So today we have solved question number 6 from the engineering mathematics portion of mechanical engineering gate exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Successive classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.